Nah, I ain't got a fog light, but I'm gonna go grab one. I'll grab one. Came out great. Can't even tell. I'll tell it to you. Thank you, Wilson.
Okay. All right, man.
Wipe it a little down.
Bring you some more before you decide.
Yeah, he's cleaning the headlight up some. And get a fog light. You can't even tell. Can't even tell those. That big old gaping hole for the fog light though. Look at that, he fixed the fender. Can't tell the fender was damaged. Then he fixed the back too. He fixed, because there was a hole right here. Fixed that, you know. Then I got it detailed, but then got it freshly detailed. Then he stepped, you know, because he had to get in and out of it, so all that stuff off his feet, so I vacuumed that out one more time. And then I had to get a new one of these because see, right there, that was broken, so this wasn't turning on. Seat cover on. Let me know in the comment section below what y'all think. You know, Wilson done his job, you know, $700 later. That was including parts and paying Wilson. And I also got the windows. You know, I ended up getting the windows tinted. So I got a good deal on some window tint. $100 to tint the windows. Then got some parts and then paid Wilson. And then Wilson about to retire. It's gonna be a sad day. He's retiring on November 30th. It's gonna be a sad day. It's gonna be a sad day when Wilson retires, man. Let those windows down because it's hot, because I can't turn the AC on until I switch out this switch, but we about to run through the line. Switch this out right quick. And then that's just like that. We out. We just wanted to make a quick video. Let me know in the comment section below what y'all think. So 1800 plus 700, so it's a whole 2500 in there for a 2014 Hyundai. I think I did pretty well. You know. Can sell it. Sell it outright cash. You can finance it, keep it. But you know, we already know the plan for it. Woo, it's a hot one right now, and then let me slide this down too. It's a hot one today. But we didn't want to make the video too long. About to go back to the shop, get some cars cleaned up, get some cars up there ready for sale. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. If you haven't already, you know, I'm gonna show y'all the cars that I did buy, make a video of that. Probably just show them all one by one. Just make little quick little 5-minute videos. Probably not nothing. Try to make them not too much longer than 5 minutes, you know. Try to make them no more than like I said, what I was saying, oh yeah, try to make them no more than like 5 minutes. Just showcase the car, you know, a little showcase, a little drive on it. That's why that mirror ain't pushed that all the way. I was wondering, like, why does it look so weird? That mirror ain't pushed that all the way. Yeah, this ain't got no service lights. It's great on gas, radio work, backup camera, Bluetooth, all that stuff. Like I said, get some more cars cleaned up. I'm gonna show y'all all the cars that I bought that I already picked them up from the auction. But I was trying to get everything done so quickly that I didn't stop to make any videos on it. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. If y'all haven't already, you know, like this video, subscribe. We out.